Hello and welcome. We're excited to guide you through the simple steps to collect your hair and saliva samples for your bioenergetic analysis. After receiving your CBH Energetics Wellness Activation Kit in the mail, all you need to do is open the box for your easy to follow instructions. Take a moment to make sure the instruction card is not stuck to the top of the box. This happens sometimes. Open up the instruction card to follow the required steps. Let's go through them. Step 1. Log in to cbhenergetics.com/begin to create your account. Once your account is set up, please fill out the health questionnaire on your dashboard. Select the questionnaire for yourself or for a family member. This step is essential. Your samples cannot be processed without this form, and it also serves as your consent for testing. Step 2. Avoid any non-essential supplements for 3 days before taking your samples. Please do not stop any prescription medication. Instead, list your medications on the questionnaire. Step 3. Before collecting your samples, wait at least 20 minutes after eating, brushing your teeth, or using mint products. Step 4. Use the provided swab. Saturate it with saliva and place it back in the plastic vial. Write your name and the date on the label. Step 5. Collect about a teaspoon of hair, that's roughly 25 strands, or even nail clippings. Hair can be taken from anywhere on your body, it does not need to be taken from the root, and it doesn't matter if it's been dyed. Now, if you're using hair from a hairbrush, make sure it's all your own hair. Write your name and date on the outside of the baggie before placing the hair and/or the nail clippings inside the small sample bag. Step 6. This is really important. Both the vial with the saliva sample and the small sample bag with your hair or nails must go inside the large collection bag. Fill out the label before sealing it. The final step. Remove the cardboard insert from the box your kit arrived in. Place the sealed large collection bag inside the box. Remove the adhesive tape and seal the box. Be sure to note the return tracking number located at the bottom of the box before dropping it in the mail. After we receive your samples, the analysis takes about 7 business days. We will email you when your results are available on your dashboard, where you can also book a phone consultation. Thank you, and we look forward to supporting your wellness journey.